So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pleated skirt. 2 pleats at the front and 2 at the back. You'll first need to fold your fabric in half. Take the length of your skirt. Mine is 20 inches because I'm not that tall. Take your waist measurement and add 20 inches and then divide it by 4. Then mark. Square that down to the length, but then add 3 inches to give it kind of an A-line shape. Add seam allowance all around. I'm adding half an inch, but then for the bottom we'll add around an inch. Then cut out. And then take the piece you just cut, place it on top of another section of the fabric and cut out. Now you have the back and you have the front. Take half of the waist measurement that you cut out, and then mark. This is where the pleats are going to be. Take the lining and fold it in half. Then take your exact waist measurement and divide it by 4. Mark the length, which will be 1 inch shorter than for the main fabric. Also, measure from your waist to your hips and mark. Take your hip measurement and divide it by 4. Then add an extra 2 inches. Square down and then add 3 inches at the bottom. Join the points with a straight line. Cut out and while adding seam allowance. Then use that piece you just cut out to cut the other piece, which is going to be the back. Unfold the fabric and then place the pieces right sides facing each other and stitch at the sides. And then take the lace so unfold the fabric like this and then mark 2.5 inches on each side of the point you had marked before. Each pleat is 5 inches, hence the 2.5 inches when divided by 2. When you multiply the 5 inches by 4, you get 20, hence the extra 20 we had added before. I'm using pins because the chalk keeps rubbing off. And then I join like that. I remove the pins and pin it back again. Do the same for the other side as well. Make sure it's 5 inches. Now that's how it looks like for now. And then we're going to press down on the back like that. I'm going to stitch at that point. So the pleat can lie down and stay down. Now stitch with your machine to keep the pleats in place. Take the lining, Turn it so that the right sides are out, and then place it inside the lace. And then pin the waist so that you can join them together. I left a bit of space on the side so that I can insert the zip. We'll have a waistband on the skirt, so to make one, take your waist measurement by 5 inches. It will have a rectangular shape like this one. Add 1 extra inch for the waist measurement as seam allowance. So your waist measurement, your exact waist measurement by 5 inches. 5 inches will be the width, and the length will be the size of your waist. And then cut 2 separates for the lace and for the lining, and then place the lace on top of the lining, and pin it so that it doesn't keep moving around. And then I'll fold it and pin again. Join it to the skirt like so. And then we'll add the zip.